Hello, this is Monday morning, and we are into heat transfer for sixth grade. So I'm just going to pop up sixth grade here quickly and heat transfer right here. I need you to watch Bill Nye and answer the workshop questions. So I'm just assigning it now. So that should be ready to go. So that is your job if you are a distance learner right now for today. Learn the three ways heat transfers and understand the three different ways so that you have that um, that under you have that understood. So that is for today, and tomorrow we will do another little project for heat. We did do this earlier in the year, but we're going to go through it a little bit more. Thank you. Have a good day.